It's Nino from the Mario Director YouTube channel, and today we're at my grandparents' house. Today we're going to check out my grandparents' baby bird. He's a cockatiel, and his name is Johnny. Johnny, come here. Johnny. Johnny likes to play with these like napkins. They play with these napkins. Ed, come on. Do you want to play with it? I don't think he wants to play with it. Did he pee on that? He pees on the floor.
Hey, put it down. Kim.
I don't think he likes it. And
Gimme.
And Johnny keeps peeing on the floor. And also my grandfather's with me. Say hi, Grandpa. Say hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa. Hello, how are you?
Johnny? He really hates me. So we're going to give Johnny some bird treats. Johnny.
You don't want it now.
Okay, Johnny doesn't want the bird treats. Do you want it? Ah, it broke. And Johnny just takes the bird treats. So guys, I'm going to get a pumpkin seed and see if he likes it. So I got a pumpkin seed. Buddy? He does not like pumpkin seeds, apparently. Come on, buddy. It's good pumpkin seeds. He takes like little nibbles of it.
Give it.
He does not like pumpkin seeds, apparently. And my dad's trying to give him like a little my grandpa's trying to give him like a little toy. It's not a parakeet toy, it's just some accessory that comes with a toy, and he's trying to see if he likes it.
Okay.
Johnny? Hey, Johnny. Johnny. And Johnny actually has a big Johnny has like a black birthmark on his head that kind of looks like a dead bug. That bug died on his head. But I guess he does not like when people pet him. I'm going to look for something that he could play with.
Danny, come on, Danny.
Never knew that. Hey, Grandpa, I never actually knew that Johnny pees all over the house.
Come on, Johnny. Johnny, come back, Johnny.
Okay.
Johnny, coming back.
Johnny? I don't think he likes being out very much.
It's just plain easy to see that these are the heads of anyone who can do just about anything he sets his mind.
You want to go home?